Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take a wooden cardboard sheet and then make a hole on the top. Fix the thread. Now take a clay and make the lines on it as shown in the video using a spatula. Make a flower, put the yellow color clay around it to make a sunflower. Make its stems and leaves using the clay. Fix it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a white sheet like this. We will make a hen using the clay. Fix the grass using the green color clay and spread it. Now take yellow color clay to make the hen. Make its beak, eyes. Draw a leaf on the top using the clay and it's ready. Next, take a blue color sheet and take a yellow color sheet. Crumple it like this and then paste it. Now put the clay and spread it using the fingers. Now take a green color clay and spread it and design it using the spatula. Make a coconut tree like this. Take brown color clay to make the coconuts. Now make a starfish using the clay. Make a beach using different color clays and it's ready. Next, we will make a hot air balloon like this. Take a plastic cup like this and then paste the wooden or the earbud sticks around. Now take a clay and roll it and spread it like this. Now take a tissue paper and apply the double-sided tape on it. Now make the balls using the clay and fix it and it's ready. Next, we'll make a beautiful showpiece. Take a bottle like this and then apply the clay on its cap. Spread it using the fingers. Now fix these wooden sticks around it. Now take the clays to make the flowers. Make small balls to make the flowers and fix it. Make few more as such and decorate it and your craft is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make a beautiful garden. To take a brown color clay, roll it and fix it around the cup like this. Now put the green color clay and spread it. Now we will fix the flowers on it using the sticks. Make the flower using the clays and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.